Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Dr. Rakhi Anand from Dr. Rakhi Anand Physiotherapy and Lifestyle. तो आज हम बात करेंगे about your immunity, about your gut. You know, your 70 to 80% of your immunity depends on your gut health. Your gut is your second brain. How we can detoxify our gut? What are the good foods for your gut? What are bad food for our gut? What excellent remedies we can follow in our lifestyle, we can imply in our lifestyle to detoxify our gut and to make our gut healthy and happy. So today talk about the gut health. I'm going to tell you about the 5 main things for your gut detoxification, and at the end going to tell you few bad foods also for your gut health and the few remedies. So we start with 5 things to detoxify your gut. From the 5 things, the first most is your hydration. How much water you drink in a day. According to the standards and the research, the amount of water recommended is depend on your body weight and your age also. But on an average, the required amount of water is 2.7 liter for female and 3.7 liters for a male. So how you can increase your hydration? Drink lots of water. Fix your amount of water in the daytime. You are in a sedentary lifestyle, office job, take the water bottles along with you. But keep in mind the water bottle should be BPA free, not plastic bottles. Okay? Or you can carry the steel bottles or glass bottles. Always carry the water with you. Keep your hydration good. Hydration is only by the water is good, but the other way is also to keep your body hydrated. Eat fruits in between. Have a little homemade juice or fresh juice. You can take the milk and all, but avoid tea and coffee. Tea and coffee is not under hydration. Caffeine is not under hydration. Please take it in your mind. Don't think कि आपने चाय पी ली तो आपका पानी चला गया. No, not like this. So अभी तो हमने बात की हाइड्रेशन के बारे में. Second thing आता है your food. Yes, food plays excellent role in your detoxification. Gut की detoxification में food बहुत help करता है. Food में हम जो खाते हैं, 10 top foods I am going to tell you. First is your yogurt, ginger, garlic, coconut oil, olive oil, sourdough, avocados, fermented dough. Yes, fermented dough is an excellent food for detoxify your gut or for your gut cleansing. Okay. Next, third thing हम बात करेंगे sleep के बारे में. You know this thing, जब आप सोते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी अपने आप को क्लीन करती है, अपने आप बॉडी को रीजनरेट करती है, क्लीन करती है. तो आपको एक डीप स्लीप बहुत रिक्वायर्ड है. डीप स्लीप के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप मेडिटेशन कीजिए. मेडिटेशन बहुत हेल्पफुल होती है. आपकी अपने ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज कीजिए ब्रीदिंग को कंट्रोल करने के लिए. मेरी और भी वीडियोस हैं जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया है गुड फूड्स फॉर योर स्लीप ऑल्सो एंड हाउ टू मेडिटेट, ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस टू इंक्रीज इम्यूनिटी. You can follow or check those videos also. So sleep plays an important role. If you have no time during the daytime, it's always recommendable to take the power naps. Power naps after the lunch matters. If you want to keep your heart healthy, take a power nap of 20 minutes to 30 minutes during daytime, whenever and wherever it is possible. Power nap plays a good role. And before sleep, keep the gadgets away from you. Try to read a book before sleep. That is a good habit. If you are the parents, if you read the books, then only your kids read the books. So impile good habits in your routine also and your kids' routine also. When you are reading a book, few good hormones release, and that promotes the good sleeping. Okay. The third thing, अभी तक हमने बात की हाइड्रेशन के बारे में, फूड के बारे में, स्लीप के बारे में. अब हम बात करेंगे आपकी लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में. यस, लाइफस्टाइल. आप कैसे खाना खाते हैं, किस टाइम खाते हैं, कैसे आपका रूटीन चलता है, वो लाइफस्टाइल. लाइफस्टाइल में हम जो हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स टू ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते थे वो लोग फास्ट बहुत रखते थे. यस, फास्टिंग. Fasting is an excellent way to satisfy your gut, your digestive system. Keep fasts. Yes. Give rest to your body. Rest. आप जब थक जाते हैं आप सोते हैं. Yes. क्योंकि रेस्ट करना चाहती है आपकी बॉडी. सेम वे में आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को भी रेस्ट चाहिए. If you want to do the fast, keep fast at least once in a week. Otherwise, the second concept is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an excellent concept. What is intermittent fasting? We can talk later about the detail about the intermittent fasting, but just a short note, intermittent fasting is 12 to 16 hours of no food, only hydration of your body. Gap of 12 to 16 hours in between the meals, but keep yourself hydrated in between these 12 to 16 hours. This much time your body required for the healing. Okay, तो अभी तक हमने आपसे बात की sleep, meditation, yoga, breathing exercise, your food, your lifestyle, your betterment and your hydration. अब इन सब चीजों के बाद एक चीज आती है कि क्या बैड फूड्स भी हैं जो आपकी गट को क्लींस करने में हेल्प की बजाय नुकसान करते हैं, आपकी गट को हार्म करते हैं. तो उसमें कुछ चीजें आती हैं जैसे कि डाइट सोडा. यस, डाइट सोडा इज स्ट्रिक्टली नो इन योर लाइफस्टाइल. आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर्स. यस, I don't want to name the artificial sweeteners, but every artificial sweetener have the properties to damage your gut. Your packed foods, no to your packed foods. Stick to your homemade foods. Stick to your basics food, basic grown foods, local market foods. जो भी local आपकी market में vegetables, fruits मिलते हैं, seasonal fruits. Stick to them. Stick to them, not to go for the like exported, what are the fruits and vegetables we export from the once in a while, that is fine, but in your daily routine stick to the local markets. So next is what are the few things you can add in your diet to detoxify your gut. Like first is apple cider vinegar. Yes, it's a research based study. Apple cider vinegar helps you in remove the bloating, acidity from the digestive system. It cleanses your colon. It increases your peristalsis movement, bowel movements को promote करता है, आपको constipation से avoid करता है, आपको bloating, acidity की problem से बचाता है. Apple cider vinegar. Next is your ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic plays a good role in your gut cleansing. आप ginger and garlic को अपने जो भी अपने घर में आप बनाते हैं vegetables वगैरह सब में add कीजिए. आप खाली पेट भी उसको एक 1/4 टीस्पून या उसको एक स्लाइस ऑफ दैट गार्लिक आप खा सकते हैं खाली पेट. वो आपकी गट के लिए बहुत हेल्दी फूड होता है. ठीक है. एंड लेमन वाटर विद हनी इज अ गुड डिटॉक्सिफाइंग फूड. सो ऑल दीज फैक्टर यू कैन टेक इन योर माइंड टू क्लींस योर गट. इफ योर गट इज हेल्दी, योर बॉडी इज हेल्दी. Gut is also called a second brain. If your gut is healthy, you will remain healthy and happy also. If your gut is healthy, that will release the happy hormones and make you happy and healthy. So please follow all these rules. Please share this to your friends and family so that they will also learn about the few new things and adopt a lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. Our main motto is to make your lifestyle healthy. Your eating, your patterns, your sleep, your whole day, you should be living a healthy and happy life. So please keep following, keep sharing my video, and feel free to give your reviews, comments and any queries. Thanks and Naga.